So we're going to do the Foglight on this Tesla Model 3. This might be a part that if for your do-it-yourselfer guy who's just learning to put paint protection film on, this might be a part that you want to start with just to get an idea. It's a very small, flat part to do. So again, it's just making sure it's clean, laying the piece in, tack points. So we will go ahead and start on this one. So again, we want to just make sure that the surface is clean, nothing sitting on it, no imperfections in it. We're going to go ahead and hose it down with soapy solution. We're going to soap both sides of our film and backing paper. We're going to then apply soap to the adhesive side of the film. We'll get it into position. Okay. We're going to soap the top side so that our squeegee slides along the film. And we're going to go ahead and find a starting point, which will be the back portion of this Foglight. We're going to get it into alignment. We're going to softly tack that corner. Okay. So now that's tacked, we want to move along to our front. We're going to be a little bit of stretch in this, not much, but we just want to get it aligned. And we're going to tack the front. Okay. And then we can go ahead and you can see the film is still moving because there's soap in there. We're going to go ahead and spray some alcohol in there, align our bottom edge, make sure that we're even, and we're going to work away from that corner. Okay, so that's probably your easiest piece on this car. So probably something you want to start with. Dry it off, inspect that you have no water left in behind the film. And then at this point we can go ahead and just heat gun the edges, and that is your Foglight. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please click on the link below at our website at www.renoson.com. Please like and share and follow us